The last verse of the Quran, quote, from among jinn and humankind, unquote, consists of 4 words, counting the conjunctive waw. This is the same as the number of words in the first word, the basmala. If the number of Arabic letters in each word are laid side by side in the order of the letters of the first word on the right, the resulting number 5152 is a multiple of 7, as in the basmala, and the first and last digits add to 7 as well. The 19 letters of the basmala consist of 10 different Arabic letters. The letters ba, sin, ha, noon, and ya each occurs once in the basmala. Ra and ha occur twice. Alif and mim occur 3 times, and lam occurs 4 times. If these numbers are ordered side by side with the smallest number of occurrences on the left, the resulting 10-digit number 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4 is a multiple of 7. Similarly, the last verse of the Quran has 13 letters, 8 of which are different. If the number of occurrences of these 8 letters in all the 4 words of the last verse are ordered side by side with the smallest number of occurrences on the left, the resulting 8-digit number 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3 is also a multiple of 7. If the verse number of the first verse is written on the right, followed on the left by the number of words in the verse, then the verse number of the last verse followed by the number of words in this verse, the resulting number 4641 is a multiple of 7. If the chapter number is added to the right of the verse number in both cases, the resulting 8-digit number 46114 is a multiple of 7. If 13, the number of letters in the last verse, and 19, the number of letters in the first verse, are added to the left of the number of words, since the letter is a smaller unit than the word, the resulting 12-digit number 13461141941 is still a multiple of 7. The first 5 digits of this number, 19411, corresponding to the first verse, are a multiple of 7, and the last 7 digits, 1346114, are also a multiple of 7. Are all these numerical relations coincidental?